Hey loves, welcome to day 5. Day 5's theme is about trusting yourself again. After the shame shifts, what remains is often fear. Fear of messing up again, fear of trusting your own voice. Day 5's message will help you begin to hear yourself with clarity and confidence again, with God as your anchor and not your past. So let's get started. So I'd like to talk to you about what no one prepares you for after healing. Learning to trust again. Because once you've made mistakes, once you've ignored red flags, once you've given your heart to people who didn't handle it with care, it's hard to know if you can trust your own judgment anymore. Maybe you second guess your intuition. Maybe you overthink everything. Maybe you keep asking God for signs, not because you don't trust Him, but because you don't trust you to get it right. But here's what I want to tell you. You are not the same woman who made those decisions. You are healed. You've grown. You've returned to God. And that means your inner compass is not broken. It's just being recalibrated. That soft nudge you feel, that pause before you say yes too fast, that holy hesitation when something doesn't sit right, that's discernment. That's spiritual maturity. That's wisdom that is forged in fire. You don't have to live in fear of choosing wrong again. You just need to choose from the healed version of you and not the one who was desperate, afraid, or trying to prove her worth. And when you stay connected to God, you will know the difference. Let today be a quiet return to trusting your own voice, the one He's been redefining all along. So, before we go on to the questions that I would like you to ponder on for day 5, I would love for you to close your eyes. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top. And let it go with a huge sigh out of your mouth. Where do you feel that ache in your body right now? Is it in your chest? Your shoulders? Your stomach? Breathe into that space and know you are not alone here. So let's take another deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top. And let's take a deep breath out of your mouth. So let's get back to the questions that I would like you to ponder on. The first one is, where did I stop trusting myself and why? Where did I stop trusting myself, and why? What fears do I still carry about making the wrong decision? What fears do I still carry about making the wrong decision? What does my healed self know now that I didn't know then? What does my healed self know now that I didn't know then? Where have I seen God strengthen my discernment? Where have I seen God strengthen my discernment? And last but not least, what would trusting myself with God actually look like? What would trusting myself with God actually look like? If this stirred something in you, stay with me. We still have 3 more days. We are just really getting started.